they've been very helpful whenever we've contacted them for anything.
Don't be shy, we only want to. Oh, of course.
Ha sin úsach tango son an etiquette shava sin fine.
The object is to help the community and for it to be a successful community, and I believe we have a really nice community in North Argyll.
In Òban, Ballabach Argyllshire an the Argyll. As an NicCoinnich ha Carthannas a ha neo Argyllshire a ha cuth taikri buin the nella at Fugavalla.
The charity originated with us selling furniture for the Rotary Club and indeed holding auctions, charity auctions of furniture and bric-a-brac. And these were very successful. But as it grew through time, we became registered as a charity, and then more than 3 years ago, we took on a shop in the centre of Òban, which we use as a community charity shop, and that is run by volunteers, unpaid volunteers. Nobody is paid. Well, as a removal company, we come on lots of pieces of furniture that people give to us, and because they know that the funds that are raised from the sale of these go back to good causes in the community, people very kindly donate lots of items of furniture and bric-a-brac, and we get some surprising things. So it just seemed a natural progression, and we have a great team of volunteers who make it all possible and make it very profitable for the community. And we meet 3 times a year, the trustees, of whom there are 5, 2 of the volunteers from the shop and 2 of the members of staff from the firm. So we all sit together and we go through the applications and decide on what is, who the beneficiaries should be. And we choose from a wide range of good causes, from the pipe band to children's groups to help for the aged or the disabled, or just a huge range of good causes. We had a table that would have gone to the bin because the top was all scratched, and so Josh ran a machine over the top of it. He sanded the top of the table and then oiled it, and the consequence was the table sold for, was it £80? So a table that would otherwise have gone to the bin because it had all these scratches on it, because of the work the boys did, it fetched £80. Yes, the staff are, well, first of all, they spend a lot of their working day working for the charity effectively, but they also spend time out with their working hours, and in other words, as unpaid volunteers, yes. Frequently at weekends and nights they're out doing things for the charity. So, we have the 16 volunteers who run the shop, and then we have the 14 staff of the firm who are equally volunteers. So we need to get them down to the shop, and then we need to think about a price. I'm saying £50 each, but I should think it'd be more like maybe £75 for the whole lot, and in the hope that an enthusiast will come and buy it.
As a bhú, fear an Argyllshire garréic, han skippe sér holoch a gobad fatna seachcoin, a tógal arakit a son an Carthannas.
I'm a gobad as a bhú Argyllshire, dik me hier magriach, het gesuur holoch a gobad a shònraichte. Hoor ik me naar de wasje etiket van maat tawielen se 3 hoor ik meer se vliegende tawielen. Dus aan mij wie koop het gezocht hallig van Noorsen. Hij wil ons achternig hij maakt geulige ook. Maar hij zegt hij kon je etiket dat kan zo riach. Dus had de fijne Argyllshire is dat je zo ik prijzen naar meer wil. Dus hij maakt van kutachi die gele. Koopbeloog, het doet voor zo. Kapurun aftat na pear janu na tjenestege zo van de skittig. Hij mag aan de Coimhearsnachdail, als hij hier taatje, gar ereket sa bí sin nitianamhasta a sa bhúine ho dul gan Coimhearsnach. Barach go sin, hat dúine féin út an ha fémal gaf agus magab iad háidir sin.
Le rútainna ha fémal as a bhú agus naigid sa cóg as a hiad genaracid a hac an hócal I dul gan a Coimhearsnach. Ha skip a sér holloch an camal trang.
Well, I'm retired, so I'm fast carrisk. I'm glad I'm in film with the max route again, so a dog shop in my tachasti doing.
Well, was you go by some shop in Hoshok, I guess at the Hoshik show, smek me get a route Mahavan, when a whole but can neither get the dollar dash can val, Jimmy Hill Malchin. I guess, but Miss Miaka Kamigama, Tama.
A doing is a chin perfect do, she had how interesting be at the Falagachil. Zeichen is crystal is granchen gajossing.
Well, but since Jachs be nigga has an the years called shit come on the huchrichen, so sin dog ein in juchert, fascal view, agus be doing you for a gnaras sort of fine stach. But sin Torah that get lachen. Kiet gelé, da hiet, öznens hele ma vis a furniture falla ma. Bishin torstach barok man nu ha feskes da hiet ak nu. Tjida schon da de hieten gelé. Tan shin tan.
Chanela na iana can be rutan lochor agus look tail soriche a dul gan bhú leis an adú de havertas in Chinas Jach.
Call my again, Baroness Tyson there. Sat the flock in Switzerland had Torah that getake. Agus some as an art show hanik you the way na model. Agus hanik istach so it all the nog viano. So did the grim crate of nog viano. Ach wat in the haniki hanik kujikinella viano. Agus hanik istach way one was so disappointed. Ach, wij regels tegen kloesje van Hanos en terug weg.
A fan dat ik daar hier het nooit. Wij smidgeroy goed zien falavis. Smidgeroy kook hier goed het daar stationikas ga kreeg kijk daar hier het nooit. Chinak het roet is. Saharik je hakken je draas. Gewoon nach de gaan ik goed je ze weten je Jew.
Well, na burun go chluiche se piano so, hanneir sem dug se bhnáda gan na piano so, ach na dugacham med a chluiche he méarhaileach. Ha luach 3 míle nocht a sa piano so, ach a Carthannas gáil seachat ar son míle stáchíad nocht agus sé fiad bharachan na sena mis smúneach. Behullam, behullam, tídach idach gal. Chai piano so hanneir an noch tíag nangad sa sia.
Well, the object of the exercise is to raise funds for good causes in the community and to help people within the community. So on occasions we have people referred to us by social services and other groups within the town.
The charities provided financial support to assist Stuart with aromatherapy and massage sessions, which are done through school at a local massage lady. They've been very beneficial to him. As you can see, Stuart's got quite a lot of movement and his posture difficulties as well. And with the massage, she initially started off taking the knots out of his back, so he's been a lot more comfortable. His posture's been better, and the aromatherapy, he always comes back nice and relaxed and happy, and he smells lovely when he comes back as well. The charity have actually provided a chair free of charge to the school for Stuart when he's having quiet time. It's a higher chair to enable him to get up and down from it more easily.
Ha mi coed yr ysgu môr i'r gelf cloi sio. Ha mi smyntion fi ufsoch ma is ufsoch even cydioch. Ha sinia jan of Snow White agos na Seven Dwarfs.
Johnny and I had worked with Spotlight Musical Theatre Group for quite a number of years, and we'd done Sound of Music and The King and I, and there were big children's choruses in both musicals. And they wanted to carry on, but there was nothing for children in the town. So we decided that we would start up a youth theatre group.
Who was it? A ghost?
Is Talium Drama Gu Môr, ha je ufsoch ma son of Janov. Nu de hou Olcus, nu de hou Nashinia. Wel ha sin ufsoch female in an etiquette, or a chud and show ear.
We've been active now, this is our 16th year, and it's been very well supported, and McQueen Brothers particularly have been very kind over the years in supporting our productions. Well, it's mainly financial, although Graham himself is very interested in theatre, and it is so gratefully received, because a production, by the time you've paid fees and hall rents and costumes and everything else, it's quite expensive. A mainline musical show would cost about $5,000 to $6,000 on average, so it is an awful lot of money to have to find every year, and their input is very valuable to us.
Van a company gan a bhú agus a dheiscin a bheala, há Carthannas a Janútar son Coimhearsnach.
Living and working in a small community, it's something that you grow up with, and you want it to continue, and you can see the advantages of working together as a community. So I believe that the charity does exactly that. It's a demonstration of a community working together.
Ha bua sio uaf ma ha chwli sgilin edrych gyda sinji an o ffwyd ag ysg community sa dolus chan i lag ydach chi'n lichtyd fe gwchwydw gwings fi'n sgwynti hawji an ysg ysg anw gan ianw yw edrych han yma Queen so af ysg Karen MacKenzie biad y cwtio chwlyd dynia as a community.
Har lyst til stedet den ares, agus født den hen chemical agus kwad kohud den adaget. Spi fagin gain naflund nach dödem leona.
I think the charity shop has done a huge amount for the town, raising funds for lots of small local charities which perhaps wouldn't attract bigger funding.
Wel han Carthannas ufsoch animal an sy fele ha hwylidynia eolach i'r is ha sin ma son a Carthannas hyn.
O hat het dat is gaan Coimhearsnach etiquette môr ha missim mwyn gael dat siachat sŵs bleasgyd ciat mil y nocht as y flion gan Coimhearsnach. Agus sé etiquette môr a sin gael Coimhearsnach sy'n bi.